Okay, here we go again with Cosmos this time, and this was a forecast that we issued on the website northstarbadcharts.com, and we got a 300% gain out of this one. It's not just a case, of course, of saying that cryptocurrency or a stock is just going to go up and not setting a target, not setting a point at which you would take your profits. The important thing is to look at the technical analysis chart, identify your entry point, as we've done here, breakout point at $13, and we've identified a few weeks later a target of $34 at long-term resistance. This long-term resistance zone comes from a series of points which join together, price action going back over quite a period of time, and so it's a very clearly identifiable resistance zone. Price bouncing off the 12-month moving average there, and that's clearly a point there where it's advantageous to enter the trade. So that was our forecast, that was our target, and that was put on the website, and we sat back and watched what happened. So during the progress of this forecast, it became clear that price was moving out of that bullish descending wedge, bouncing off the support zone, and it was doing it in the form of an ARC-based trading formations are surprisingly common, and this gave us an interim target at $26 to $29, with the target up here at around about $35 to $40 as time was moving on. Notice the initial target was $34 plus. As time went on and you start to home in on that target area, you're somewhere in the $35 to $40 area. And a few weeks later, in September, on the 13th, $38.81, the target zone was hit. And you can see I left the annotation there. We hit the target price early, and we have still not broken through that zone. So it would have been the right thing to do to take profits at that point and sit back and see what happens, or to take profits and put them into an ARC, which is way back down at the bottom. Of course, that's the point. You identify the breakout, identify the pullback, identify the ARC, and then entry and target zone and exit, move on to the next stock, the next crypto, whatever it happens to be. So that was a 300% gain using the ARC-based forecasting techniques over at northstarbadcharts.com. And there are many more of these playing out in real time. We're continually identifying new ARCs as they come to our attention, not just with cryptocurrencies, but across precious metals and across the uranium sector, commodities, and elsewhere. Of course, any stock is absolutely fine. If it fulfills the criteria, then we'll take advantage of that. So there you go. That's another one in the bag for the analysis at northstarbadcharts.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening, and more later.